How to download offline maps on Google Maps. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can download offline maps on Google Maps. For this, you want to open the Maps app on your device. Make sure you are signed into your Google account. Now, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the Offline Maps option. Now tap on the select your own map option. You will be able to start the downloading from there. Once you tap on the select your map option, you want to select the portion of the map that you want to download. The more area you want to download, the bigger the file size will be. As you can see, the download will use up to 875 MB, but if you zoomed in and selected a smaller area, then it's only going to use up to 30 MB. Now, once you have selected your preferred area, you want to tap on the download option. Now the downloading will begin. Tap on this to get more information. If you tap on this pencil icon, you can also rename the map. So you can name this whatever you want. After that, you want to tap on the save option. Once the downloading has been completed, you will be able to access this map while offline. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.